Hi, this is Sharon Lim, my independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And I'm not sure if you remember me showing you a card inspired by Karen Titus called Stack, Slice, and Shuffle. And this is the card I did with some volunteers to make cards for Meals on Wheels. So today, we'll make these using the lovely Wildly Flowering DSP. And it looks like this is the back side and this is the front side. So beautiful. So let's get started. You're gonna need 3 card bases, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, 3 card stocks that coordinating 4 by 5 1/4. You can see the coordinating colors on the back of the DSP cardstock that's behind it when you get it. Then 3 DSPs measuring 3 3/4 by 5, and you can flip them any way you want. And then some basic white to punch the sentiments out. And the 3 colors that I'm focusing on today are here: Misty Moonlight, Moody Mauve, and Wild Wheat. So first things first, let's get this card bases all ready. So these are already scored, so I'm going to go ahead and fold along the score using my bone folder to make it nice and crisp. Then I'm going to go ahead and adhere the cardstock first. I'm going to go ahead and use glue today. So each piece gets centered on the front here. I used to teach, and I saw a teacher show how she teaches her students to not waste paper. I had some left over this, that's why this is taped together. And she called it the X box. X box. That's as much as you want to use your glue stick. Otherwise, kids can go a little crazy with the glue stick, and then you'll end up going through it so fast. Okay, here's the fun part. I may grab my trimmer. Okay, remember, first step is stack. So you're stacking them all together. Then you're going to just randomly do 2 cuts. Okay, so what I like to do is just 1 cut this way diagonally, and it is random. So stack, slice, and maybe like this at an angle. And then the last step is shuffle. And the easiest way I was telling him is start, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So this is 1. So then on this one you put the 1 behind, and then on this one you put the third one on top, and then that way you get all 3. Isn't that cool? So let's continue. Oops. So just start taking the top of that and centering it here. And then this one. It's like making puzzle each and every time, which I think is super cool. And in the corner. Both sides are lovely, so please have fun making your own designs. So that's 1. Here's 2. And again, they can be both vertically or horizontal, depending on the look you're going for. And just like that, to 2 out of 3. Last one. That's it. I already pre-stamped these. I'm going to grab the punch right now and punch them all out. This one, I hope your day is filled with joy. This one's for you. And then this one is Mr. and Mrs. Flowers might be a good one for a wedding or a bridal. And then flip these over. It's going to put some dimensionals. I put the red on the release paper so I know I've taken it off. And to the last bit, even this piece will be used. And a couple more from another sheet. One more actually. Quick and simple. Take these release papers off. You can also use your pick your tool if you'd like. You don't want to touch the release papers. Home stretch. Here we go. You can determine which direction you like. This one I think I'll do here. I think I like this one horizontal, and this one, actually I switch. This one has, well, this one has, I'm covering up the Moody Mauve, so I'll put this one here instead, and then here. That's it. 3 cards, quick and easy. Remember the stack, slice, and shuffle technique. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share with a friend who would also enjoy these video tutorials. I really appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel and you'll get many more video tutorials to come. I enjoy sharing this with you. Have a great day. Bye.